Hi, welcome to my channel Ruby Crochet Tejido. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet these beautiful accessories or keychains. They are super easy to do. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. And here is the list of material you're going to need to make it. If you are not already a subscriber, please subscribe and click on the little bell. That way you get notification each time I upload a video. Remember, I make my videos in Spanish and English. If you receive a Spanish video and you want to see the video in English, go to the main page of my YouTube channel. Then you'll find the English version in there. Also, you can send me a message and I can send you the link. And at the end of each tutorial, I'll leave a playlist with all my English videos. For this design, I'm going to use this Pro Mason twine. I bought this at the Dollarama. It's industrial quality. This is a hot pink, very hot pink. They have an orange, green, but I'm going to use the hot pink for this one. You're going to need a keychain ring. This is a small one that I have. You can use bigger ones. These pearls or beads I bought at Michael's a while back. I bought these huge containers. I use that much. It's like $10, $11 I bought it. Canadian dollar. That was quite a few years ago. And the crochet hook, a 4mm. I'm gonna use this one that is one solid piece, because when I did other ones with this design, since the twine is not slippery enough, I used one of these in green, a 4mm, and fall off from there the hook from the base. So that's why I'm using one of these, because I don't want to lose all my hooks doing this design. You're gonna need tapestry needle and scissors. First, you're gonna pass the bead through the twine, and I forgot to mention that this is 91.44 meters long, 300 feet. So once you have your 6 beads inside the, like together, you're gonna do a knot, and here to secure your work, and you're gonna have a circle secure really well here. So I'm gonna do a secure knot here because I have to record in Spanish, so you're gonna create a circle like that. And you can put this away because at the end is when you're gonna use the ring. Now you're gonna grab your hook, you're gonna pass it under and do a chain, and in the same space do a single crochet. Now you're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and go between these two and do a single crochet. And if you don't have this type of yarn, you maybe go to your local hardware store. Maybe you can find a type of twine, or you can use cotton yarn. 1, 2, and 3. The good thing about this is that it's very durable. And go in between here. And do a single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Do a single crochet. And like that, you're going to continue working all the way around the pearls. Once you do the slip stitch to finish that round, you're gonna slip inside the chain 3 space. You're gonna chain 1 at the same time. I'm gonna trap that tail there, and I'm gonna do a single crochet, a half double crochet, three double crochet, one, two, and 3, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Now you're gonna slip to the next space. You're gonna do a single crochet, and you're gonna do the same repetition on each chain 3 space. Once you finish, you're gonna do a slip stitch here. I almost did that. Another single crochet on the same space, slip stitch. Now you're gonna decide the amount of length do you want for your chain. The first one that I did a chain of 10, and I find that was a little bit too long. And the other ones I did with a chain of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're gonna grab the ring. And you're gonna pass in here. and I'm gonna do this chain that I'm gonna count. Now I'm gonna do a chain, nice and tight, that way it's not longer than the other one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm gonna come to the first single crochet on the other side. It's a little tight in here. And I'm gonna pass my hook, pull to the front, slip stitch, cut the yarn, and loose the tail. Well, this is the end result, and I absolutely love this keychain or accessory for your bags. I'm going to show you the first one that I did was with the orange one, and I twisted a little bit like this because I find that this was a little bit too long, and I made this as well, my name for my key, and I put them together. I love this, all this stuff. So I did this. I don't gonna lose my keys anymore in my bag. So that's perfect. And the second one that I did with a hot pink, and I place it here in one of my bags. It looked perfect with the bag that is black and the hot pink. I look amazing. This was part of my bag. This was hooked in here, so I decided to place it with this clip and in the front. It's perfect. And I did one for Nora's keychain for the car, hot pink as well, and I absolutely love them. And I made this one with wool-like similar length from Loops and Thread. You can see that you can use that as well. I have done it with an extra bead in the center, but it was too much. I didn't like it, but like this is absolutely perfect. You see? You can do it with any other yarn you like, but I like with this because it's nice and strong. It's bigger, but it's up to you. So I hope you guys like it, and give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. And if you make any of these keychain or accessories and you want to send me some pictures, you can do it through my Facebook page, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido, or my Instagram, Ruby Ne Crochet Tejido. Please share my video with friends and family and in groups, and don't forget to leave a comment. That way you help me grow here in YouTube. I wish you have a beautiful day. Bye.